Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this short sound demo video is to accompany one of my Etsy listings, and it's for this lovely little 16-inch buffalo skin shamanic drum just here. If I turn this over, you can see we have a beautiful branch on the back. This is a field maple branch handle. It's laced with artificial sinew. Now, unusually for my drums, nearly every drum, I burn on the inside of the frame some information, for instance the kind of wood the frame's made out of and the kind of skin that the drum has in it and the date when it was birthed, etc. The only times I don't do that is now here at Driftwood Hollow. I hold drum birthing workshops where people can come along and birth their own shamanic drum under my supervision or instruction, tuition, whatever you want to call it, which involves a beautiful day of ceremony and of blessings and then cleansing of all of the items that go into the birthing process, and then the coming together of it all to create this beautiful shamanic drum. Now, on those days, I always birth a drum also alongside my student, because I only do 1-to-1s or 2-to-1s. So there, at the end of that day, I don't embellish the frame in any way with anything. It is very a neutral affair between myself and my student. They have a plain frame, I have a plain frame, and that's just the way that works. And this is always the case, that I have a drum that I have birthed, but it hasn't got any information in it because of that reason. And this is one such drum. Now, on the listing, I can't remember from the top of my head, I think it was the 17th of February when I held that workshop, and this would have been birthed on that particular day. But yeah, there's a lot of rambling on, isn't it? It's going to be a long video, this, considering you just came along to listen to the sound. So let's crack on, let's listen to the sound. I'm going to play with a soft and firm beater. This is the soft beater. I'll start with this one, see what you think. Let's have a play. Beautiful, beautiful sound. Okay, the firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to give you a more of an idea when you're coming to choose online. It's always tricky, so it's nice to be able to actually hear the drum. What I didn't say earlier on is I told you that this was a field maple, but it's an ash wood frame as well. So just thought I'd throw that bit in at the end. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.